Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare tasty and simple radish sambar. First, we need to cook the tur dal. In a pressure cooker, add 5 tablespoons of tur dal. Wash the tur dal and add 3 tumblers of water. 1:3 is the cooking ratio for tur dal. Pressure cook it for 5 whistles. Peel off the skin of radish. I am using 1.5 radish. Cut into small pieces and keep it in water. Once tur dal cooked means we can start to prepare radish sambar. Switch on the stove, keep pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 7 to 8 numbers of small onions and few curry leaves. Saute well. Once onion becomes golden brown, add the chopped tomatoes. I am using 1 big size tomato. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. One and a half teaspoon of chili powder. If you like green chili, add it. Mix well. Keep stove in dim flame. Close the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Now we can add the radish. Add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. One and a half tablespoons of sambar powder. Mix well. Close the pan and keep the stove in dim flame. Cook for 5 minutes. Then only radish will absorb masala. Give a good mix. Now add the cooked tur dal. I am adding 1 tumbler of water. Add water according to your consistency. Half teaspoon of salt. Check the salt and add it. Close the pan and keep the stove in medium flame. Cook for 10 minutes. In between, open the lid and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of freshly prepared ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Close and cook for 5 minutes. The raw smell of ginger and garlic wants to go. Now we need to check the radish is whether properly cooked or not. In the wet hand, take and check it. Radish is cooked well. Now we can add the tamarind water. I am using 1 small gooseberry size tamarind. Now add the tamarind water. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Add the coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the stove. That's it. Simple and tasty radish sambar is ready. You can also try this radish sambar at your home. If you have any doubt or if you like it means, let me know in comment section. If you like this video, like and share. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means, please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. Thank you so much for watching.